Your master. Yeah. Can I try the lipstick? Oh, the lipstick. Yes.
Ano po ng lipstick?
Okay, Ma. Just okay. Ma, what's that, Ma? Next. Facing pepper. My girl. Wait, Tasha, can you hold the camera for me? Yeah. Wait, just put this over here. Okay, Tasha, go on your mom. Tasha, hey, look, Simon, mom, Simon, mom, Simon, mom. Look at her. Only blackberry. I thought I was in a panic attack. My anxiety level was going super up. This is my new. It's my favorite. It's my favorite Cinderella character. Of course, Cinderella's so cute. Tisha, please stop blocking the vlog with your hair. Okay. Mommy can't do like this. I can't believe you just ate. Ayaw na, Mommy Ker, ha? Ayaw na, okay? Do the green, I wanna do the green for the, I wanna do green for blush. Okay. Decorate your face. Can I do the green for your blush? Look at the result! Wow! You look like a real mermaid. Someone touched that clip. Under her hair. Wait, stop it. My nose really. It's a really nice. I see your hair. That's super for my favorite color on her. Mom, I'm gonna decorate your hair. Let's cover those things up. Result! Please decorate too ugly.
Go!
Result! Baby shark, baby shark. Bye bye, guys. See you on our next episode. By the way, keep following us, like, and subscribe if you want to see more popping up in my channel. Oh, by the way, this is Kali Casalo. No, but Sha, your your name is yeah, I like calling her Tasha because it's so cute. Bye bye, guys. Oh, keep following Cinema likes to eat strawberry. Isabella, please keep following us or I will be sad. But then our mom. Yeah. Keep following up. Oh, By the way, if you want to know which do I buy this, please check out Robinson's Malls and shopping. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, by the way, if you keep going on Philippines or living on Philippines, go to Icy Star and you will see me. And if you go to Icy Store, you will be in all of my and you guys will be all on my channel. Please keep liking, subscribing, popping up your comments, and let me know in the comments section below. Please, please. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe. Look at you. Keep liking. Tasha, that's mean. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, Blackberry got me. Blackberry. Blackberry is so dark, guys. Blackberry's. Nahulog, Tash! Shut Blackberry. No. Mom, ako bang banban kami? If you need a helping hand, come and helping hand. Don't call me. Please watch the instruction to roll the staircase and you'll learn. Cause it's fun to be alone. So all of the base thereof. Maybe it was amazing, but it wasn't the nation of the house. It was another nation of the hose in. Maybe we want to get the friends. You could just give me a big hug. You could just give me such a big hug. Maybe when it's fun if you were alone, you would have heard the sneaking of the trails. Because it wasn't a fun, not high lows in fun. In fact, your friends are the best, but don't keep trusting them. Or my poison will murder you. It isn't fun to be racing too, but maybe it was so amazing. Always trusting the venue. God made me. God loves me. God is everywhere. With every protection He gives us, He wants silence to our courage. All of the animals that feel always look in the mirror and that's God's favorite creation. My favorite creation is of course us. Give a friend a big hug. A big hug. Big one. It wasn't enough. You should help your friends and hug them every time you see them. Oh! Maybe try to love you sometimes. If you don't trust them, it's so cool sometimes. But if someone gives you a fast compliment and you feel heartbroken, just try it so they won't know. But maybe it wasn't a big must Shut up, video's gonna end. Let's check.